Hey everyone, Dave with Projects Around. I'm going to do this short little introduction to explain to you guys what happened. You'll see on the following video the installation of a door on a project that we had done, beginning of January. It was a weekend that we had an ice storm, so I want to say it was like the first week of January. We had gotten new camera equipment, and I recorded the demolition. We had to take out some casing and to a stairway going downstairs. We had to put it back together. When I downloaded that footage from the camera, somehow I corrupted it and I lost that footage. So it's not available in this video, but we did want to show you the installation of the door because it was a fun little project. It was a neat little project. So sorry about the mistake. Sometimes it happens. So the remainder of this video will be showing you how we put that door in. Hey everyone, this is Dave with Projects Around. We're on another job today. The customers asked us to put a door in here down to their bedroom. So we're going to pull out this casing and we're going to replace it and put a door in. So stay tuned. All right, so we had to go back to the hardware store. The doorknob did not have the 2 3/4 inch offset. The manufacturer of that one does not make it adjustable. Like this Schlage product here, you can adjust the distance of your latch on the interior between 2 1/4 and 2 3/4. This door has a 2 3/4 inch offset. So we got the new one on. We're going to get that up, we'll get the trim up, and we're going to have this job wrapped up. All right, so what happened on this side, I don't know if you guys can see this. We had to fill it. This wall was added in, this short section of wall right here was added in, and it wasn't actually a 2x4 with drywall on each side. So we had to add a jam extension in behind that. I didn't film it, that's a little dark in this corner. But you can see it up there on the head. You'll never see it from in here, so we didn't really make it a traditional jam extension. We just filled it in, and it looks good so far. But you can see, down here, they really didn't create a wall. Normally that would come down, and then your side skirt would butt into it. It was an afterthought from the previous homeowners. We were looking at this. I think it was probably just open straight down to the basement. And then they added in some casing to make it look nicer. And the current homeowners have hired me to put in their door here. They want a little bit more privacy down to the basement bedroom. Instead of kids yelling from the kitchen, "Mom, Dad, I'm hungry." Now you can shut the door. All right, so let's see if we can get this last thing in and get this wrapped up. All right, guys, thanks for joining another episode. There's a homeowner to say hi. And there's the door over there. All done. Let's take a look at it. Go ahead, Alex. Let's operate that bad boy. All right, she operates really good. Put it in, looks real nice. Closes real nice. The reveal all the way, this is what the reveal is called. All the way around the door is perfect. The door is plumb. The door stays when you open it. You don't want it to swing by itself left or right, and it's beautiful. So if you guys like what we did here, do me a favor, smash that like button, give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for joining us.